how to fix Facebook. You can't use this feature right now on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to solve this problem or to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open settings, and when your settings it's open, you will just come here to apps, and on apps you will scroll down and go directly to Facebook, and on your Facebook account, app, you will go to storage, and on storage go to the bottom of the screen and click on clear data and click OK, and now your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for guys. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.